At Energy Hypnotherapy in Surprise, Arizona, I help you release sadness, fear, anxiety through gentle and transformation, just hypnosis, meditation, and energy work. Our guided sessions together will get you deep into the subconscious, the place where your emotions live, to dissolve worry, quiet those racing thoughts, and restore your emotional balance. Whether you're healing from a loss, battling overwhelm, or just simply seeking inner peace, hypnosis with energy helps you reconnect with your calm, confidence, and self love. It may not seem like it right now, but you will get better because peace is your natural state, and let's help you return to it. I help you heal you with you. Let's heal together.